Hi, you're with Chandeep at Gurli, and let's take a look at the AverageA function in Excel. Now let's say, for example, we have months from January till December, and we have the sales of all those months. And for instance, the month of March was a holiday month and we did not sell any products in that month, so somebody just wrote manually as holiday month. Now let's say, for example, I am normally calculating the average with the average formula, so I'm just going to write equals to average and take the average of all the data here and press enter. This is going to give me $3,900, approximately $3,900. Now let me not use the average formula and let's take the average manually. So I'm going to say equals to sum, take the sum of all these numbers. This is going to give me about $43,000, and this then divide this by 12. Why 12? Because we still have 12 months. No matter we had a holiday in one month, but that month is still going to be counted, right? So press enter. Now if you take a look at this average differs than this average. Why? Because the denominator here is 12. It is still counting this as well, right? And here the denominator is 11, so it's taking the sum of 11 cells and then dividing it by 11, not 12. So that's the difference. So the AverageA function actually gives you this average, not this, right? It takes care of any of the text in between as well. So what I'm going to do is equals to AverageA and pick up the values, close the bracket, press enter, and it gives you about $3,597. So I'm just going to press Ctrl Z so that we have this data as well, and then write the AverageA function once again. So AverageA, and now you can see that this matches this, right? So that's the AverageA function. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you like this. You can also follow us on Facebook or on Twitter, and you can also read the blogs at gurli.co.in. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.